Hey guys, my name is Rudy, and today we're going to talk about this brand new Take and Shake 3. So, here's the backstory. I like to use all sorts of shakes at work to do some meal replacements to kind of help me along my journey. So, these things fill me up, but I wanted a blender and I didn't want to drag something expensive or something kind of nice in a little bag to work every day. So, I had quite a few of these Take and Shake number ones. They were cool. I've replaced the switches on this before. Actually had a really simple system. This one's kind of dirty. These things are hard to clean, and the plastic is starting to kind of more or less just kind of crap out. It's getting, let's see here. So you just kind of lock it in place like this. Hit the button. I'll demonstrate. I just gotta put my hand on top of it. Yeah, this one is actually a little stiff. Like I said, again, hard to clean, and the tops are getting kind of braille. Like I had this piece come off on one of them. This thing kind of traps dirt on the inside of them. It's just it was a good product, and I've been trying to find more bottles, and I've gotten a few here and there, but now they're impossible to find. And I thought my other one was lost, but I found it. But nevertheless, I decided to go get this other blender. So this is why we're here today. See if this is going to be something that's going to accompany me or send me to the ER. Alright, here we go. So, number two, the continuation of the first product, was kind of like I think it was a USB charge thing. Had the blender, the whole thing. I really wasn't interested. But when I was looking for bottles, I ran across this one. And this one has some really cool colors. And I said, what the heck, why not? So, here we are. We're going to explore this Take and Shake 3 unboxing. So, first notice is the difference is this is a regular bottle. However, I did do some testing and it does not fit all bottles. I might have to see if there's a place where you can get more. The good thing about it is they kind of went in the way of... what's the word? Can't think of the name of the other one. The blender that's upside down. You twist it, and this is gonna bother me. Give me 1 second. Magic Chef. These are like Magic Chef, where you kind of take them and you flip them over upside down, and they do your blending. This is kind of the same principle. They get rid of the top thing, so you now have to actually put the water in, and then you screw this on top, turn it over, lock it in place, I assume, and away you go. One thing I am seeing here that is already one issue is there's no measurement. So what I'm going to have to do here, so I'm probably going to take like a black Sharpie, and I'm going to mark the spot, or hopefully it'll stay for a while, to mark my 8 ounces. No markings whatsoever. Okay, let's see what's in here. This be the top, so whenever you're done, you can actually rubber seal inside here. This will be the top, so you can drink your shakes. I don't know. It can come off if you hit it somehow. Well, what you would do is you would unscrew the blade. You would attach your bottle top, and you got your shake for whatever you're doing. The package I chose has 2. I want to find more bottles, but I think I might have to really search again to figure out how they did this. Okay, the seals are coming off this one too. Here's the other bottle top. Same type of system. And this will be the second bottle. Durable plastic, should have been some markings, not bad. Now, the thing we've all been waiting for. the blender. Got a little bit of instructions here. To be honest with you, I was a little concerned when I ordered this because I'm not sure you have customer service for this particular company. I couldn't get any answers. So this one comes in like various different colors. You got pink, green, all sorts of colors. And the blender itself comes in some unique colors too. Oh, this is going to be a problem. Well, looks like this version's got to go back. These guys sent me a European plug. I think this is a British plug. I think this is a 220. Well, that goes for trying it out. Let's see. The one thing that I am curious about. I'm curious to see how this actually locks in place. I might just get an adapter. I just got to look at the voltage settings in the manual. So what this does is and you stick it in and you do a little twist here. Okay. Little twist, and you got your power button up here. Okay, so that's one thing they didn't talk about in here. Like I said, the voltage, we'll have to check it out. If I can't get this changed out, or if I can't get an adapter, I will be getting my money back. But I have seen this in stateside too, so I guess I got to make sure the voltage is correct. Let's see here. 220 volts. Yep. Okay. All right. Well, more to come on this topic. Till next time. Take care.